This strategy tells you exactly where the whales are entering or where they are collecting money, market structure. The way price movements are formed in the market is called market structure trend. This structure exists in a fractal and repetitive form in the market. Manipulation. Movement against the direction of the market is called manipulation. Suppose that after a compression or spotting, the price moves in a downward trend for a short period of time before starting the main trend, which is upward. This downward movement is called manipulation, accumulation. In this case, the trend is downward. After that, the price stops to collect orders, and after the stop is finished, the movement trend becomes upward, reaccumulation. In this case, the trend is upward. After that, the price stops to collect orders, and after the stop is finished, the movement trend becomes upward. Distribution. In this case, the trend is upward. After that, the price hits to collect the spot orders, and after the spotting is finished, the movement trend becomes downward. Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. How to trade in ICT price action style. To trade with ICT price action, you should pay attention to the 4 market modes that are constantly repeating. As you know, we have 4 major sessions in the forex market: Sydney, Japan, London, and New York. By examining the order flow in these 4 sessions, the ICT price action style tries to read the hands of the market leaders and show traders the appropriate points to enter and exit the transaction based on their desired price direction. To trade in the price action style of smart money or ICT, you must pay attention to the forex market sessions. In this method, movements of expansion, correction, reversal, or price return and stabilization happen during certain times of these sessions. Price and consolidation occur during certain times of these sessions. Fixing or stabilizing the price usually happens during the Asian session. The expansion movement happens after the Asian session, but in the first few hours, a movement against the main trend is made to deceive traders, which is called the Judas swing in the ICT price action method. After the end of the Judas swing, traders enter the market in the direction of the main trend. Price reversals usually occur in the London session. Corrective movements are usually seen in the New York session. How to trade with order blocks in ICT-style price action. 2.2. In ICT price action, traders enter the transaction using order blocks. In this way, the block order is identified first in the analytical time frame. Suppose, in this time frame, an ascending block order is detected. In this case, we go to a lower time frame and wait for the order block to be formed in the same time frame. When candle order block in the lower time frame, it was covered with a candle of the opposite color. In this case, the stop loss can be placed behind the block order candle or close to its closing price. An important confirmation that this currency has is that whenever the price reaches the order block, you must either liquidate or at least stabilize that area. If you cannot confirm, then it will fall, but be careful, you may fall into a trap and it will not work. Our support area came down and the liquidity collected from the bottom went up, and you ask yourself if this movement is broken and pull back and continue to move from the bottom, but you see it will collect all your money. When a block order is created, you should always pay attention to this first thing. You should think that this will allow you to recognize which area is valid. But I say that it is an important way to know that the first thing is to look at what style of failure this area is. It is the data structure or structure change. If the first option was a confirmation, and the second question is to see if it collected the liquidity or not. If it collects, it will show the amount of the pump that is in this area. When you see an order block, you will see the price. It comes at that moment. Sniper is doing the same thing as he has collected a lot of liquidity and is testing the area with strength. He will go higher than that and he will get stronger because the money is such that in this area, it is in a block, which means there is a lot of money in that area. And the whales or the bank want to make a great entry opportunity from that area and go higher. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you can make the most of it. Watch the video related to the strategy.